Nippy, nippy, nippy goes my peg. Not on my leg, thank goodness, onto this hanger. I've already hung one fish up and I've got 2 more to go. I'm making a mobile with colourful fish. I've got these 2 fish that have been painted with colour on the front and they've been drying on the towel. Now I just need to turn them over and paint the other side. Water first, get lots of water on the brush and then wash the water all over a little fish. Wish, wash, swish, swash. There. Now it's time for the colour. Blue first. Get lots of colour on the brush. Load it up. And now, wish, wash, swish, swash. Brush the colour over. Little bit more water and colour. There. Wow. There. That's 1 fish done. 1 more to go. I think I'll do purple this time. Water first. Get lots of water on the brush and wish, wash, swish, swash. Wash the water over. Now load it up with colour. I might get a little bit more water on that brush. Oh, lots of purple on the brush. And wish, wash, swish, swash. Brush the colour over all around the edges. There. 2 colourful fish ready to hang up to dry. Here you go, little fish. 1 there and 1 colourful fish here. 3 colourful fish swimming in the water. Swim, little fish, swim, little fish, swim, swim, swim. Swim, little fish, swim, little fish, swim, swim, swim. Can you swim your little fish too? Swim, little fish, swim, little fish, swim, swim, swim. Swim, little fish, swim, little fish, swim, swim, swim.
I'm going to make another scaly creature now. My own pet paper blue-tongue lizard. I already have a name for it. Lizardo. I found this packing paper which has lots of holes in it and it looks like a lizard's bumpy, scaly skin. So I'm going to use it for Lizardo's scaly skin and body. First, I'll put a couple of pieces together and then we're going to roll it up like this. So let's get rolling. Everybody rolling, rolling, rolling. Everybody rolling just like this. Oh, okay, wrap it up nice and tight. And just pop a little bit of tape on there. There. Okay. This end can be the head. Lizardo's head. I'll straighten it out, give it a bit of a fluff. Look at that. Lovely. Now for some legs. These green pipe cleaners will do the trick. I'm going to wind them around the body like this. That's it. And keep twisting. You ready? Everybody twisting, twisting, twisting. Everybody twisting just like this. 1 more twist. Here and around. Boop, boop. Look at that. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. Oh, something's missing from Lizardo's body. Do you know what it is? That's right, a tail. A short, thick lizard tail. Okay, I'll use this green string and I will wind it around tightly. You ready? Everybody winding, winding, winding. Everybody winding just like this. There we go. A little bit of tape. Finish it off. Okay. One last thing. A little blue tongue. Oh, and here's the little blue pipe cleaner. So let's pop it in to there. Oh, yep. There, my very own pet. Oh, Lizardo, the blue tongue lizard. Yep. Oh, look, there's a nice rock over there for you to warm up on, Lizardo. Yep. Oh, lovely. Ah.
I'm making a pet now, a bottle pet. Can you guess what animal this might be? A bottlenose dolphin, perhaps? No, dolphins don't live on farms. Let me give you a clue. It's an animal that makes this sound. Oink, 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 oink. That's right, it's a pig. Now, I'll give this pig some peg ears. Ooh, and some sticker eyes. And of course, a twirly, piggy, pink tail. Oink, 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 oink. You look like a Patrick. Well, pet pigs like scratches behind the ears, oink, 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 and tummy rubs, oink, 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 oink. You're a good pig, Patrick, oink, oink, oink. Let's make another pig now, a friend for Patrick. Well, first we'll need another sock. Oh no, that's a little bit too green. Oh, here we go. This is a perfect piggy pink sock. Well, it's fun to make things. Well, it's fun to make things. Making things is fun. Making things is fun. Oink, 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 oink. Oh, it's looking very piggy, isn't it? That gives me an idea for the song. Well, it's fun to make pigs. Well, it's fun to make pigs. Oink, oink. Making pigs is fun. Making pigs is fun. Oink, oink, oink. Oh, a piggy tail for you too. Oink, 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 oink. There we go. Patrick and Patricia the pig. Oink, 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 oink. Ooh, maybe we should make some baby sock piglets for Patrick and Patricia.
Did someone say sock piglets? Mm-hmm. OK. What about a stripy sock piglet? OK, get the socks and turn them inside out like this together and one stripy socky piglet. Some pigs can have 10 piglets at one time. It's called a litter.
10 piglets in one litter? Wow. Do you think we could make 10 sock piglets in 10 seconds?
Oh, I don't know, Michelle, but we can try.
OK, are you ready to give it a go?
I think so. Here we go. Well, it's fun to make pigs. Well, it's fun to make pigs. Making things is fun. Making pigs is fun. Well, it's fun to make pigs. Well, it's fun to make pigs. Making pigs is fun. Making pigs is fun. There.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sock piglets. Oink.
Yes. Oink, 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 oink.
Oink, oink, oink.
Oink, 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 oink,
Ooh,
oink.
well, It's off to the garden for these pigs. Trot, trot, trot. Oink, oink, oink.
Trot, trot, trot. Did you know that pigs' feet have a special name? They're called trotters. Trot, trot, trot.
Oink, oink. We're trotters. We're the trotters who love to trot. Oink, 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 oink.
This woolly guinea pig has a body made of a ball of wool and 2 felt flappy ears, felt patches, a felt snuffly nose, and 2 sticky eyes. There, this woolly guinea pig is ready to be someone's pet. She just needs a name. Do you have any ideas? I know. Let's call her Patch. Do you think Patch needs a friend? Do you want to help make one with me? Right, so we need a ball of wool for the body. I'm going to make a grey guinea pig this time. Now we need 2 felt ears. 1, tuck it in here, just like that. And 2, and tuck the other one in there. There, 2 flappy felt ears. Now, next, we need some patches. I'm going to use this light brown and dark brown ones this time. Let's stickety-stick them. Come on, you stick too. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Some things soft and some things flat. We put things here, we put things there. Oh, we put things everywhere. There, patches are on. Now we need a snuffly felt nose. Got to make sure we put it in the right spot. Right there. And then 2 sticky eyes. 1 and 2. There we go. Squeak, squeak. Oh, I can see now. He needs a name too. I know. Let's call him Splodge. Squeak, 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 squeak. Oh, hi, Splodge. Nice to meet you. Squeak. Oh, hi, Patch. Nice to meet you too.
Wow, that was super fun.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel.
Subscribe to ABC Kids for more Play School content.
And head over to ABC iView for full Play School episodes.